has to do with a character. And there's a whole bunch of different fields of work this person could be in. And for 20 points, who or what career does Rowan Robinson have? Wow. Okay, yeah, I should be a little bit more clear because, like, okay, I will accept author because he's an author of a book because everybody writes just about in this movement. You're like, if you don't write, you don't get known of. But you did say book, that was more clear. Actually, it's this book right here, The Great Book of Hemp. So it's one that I don't show off as much as The Emperor Wears No Clothes, but, pardon? Author. Yeah. So, yeah, well, this I was going to ask for him to be more clear because writer was too general. And then, yeah, he could be a comedian, you know? Because there's lots of people that are comedians that think they're professionals, but they're not. I know some very well. Here we go. Joint Chiefs, yeah, the 35, but 10 over here. The Potley crew really, like, you know, there's lots of points. Don't worry. The next question has to do with the cannabis publication. I'm really proud of our newspaper. Although no one's picked one up yet, it doesn't really hurt my feelings. But there's lots of other great publications out there, or in some cases have been. Cannabis culture isn't in print anymore, which means that its newspaper is the largest or only one in Western Canada, really. So we're really looking forward to gaining in publication. The next one should be out maybe 2 weeks' time. We want to print 10,000 as opposed to 5,000 and have a lot more distributed in Vancouver and broaden our advertising base. We're really excited about it. But one of the reasons that we went public was because of the number of magazines that have gone out of print. One of the best ones that have ever been in print is Cannabis Health Magazine. For 20 points, what year did Cannabis Health start printing its magazine? Wow, Ryan, what are you thinking? 83. Wow, no, it wasn't 83. Can't be given any more hints. What's your guess over here? I didn't go that far. No, I need to leave myself some multiple choice. So, but 99. No, it's not 99. It's since 99. It didn't last for that long. Oh, Evan, what's your guess over here? 2003. No, it's not 2003. So you guys get a quick guess. I can't give out any more hints. You got to clap, or I'm just not happy. 2002, there it is for 10 points. So the Potley crew now has 20, the Joint Chiefs 35. The game is on, folks. And yes, no, it's a close game. And we'll take it to that next level right now. So if I could get some of my wonderful assistants up here, please. Thank you. We're already at the joint rolling contest. So, fun part of the game where it's pretty simple, really. Oh, no, we use these regulars here. I'm not sure where these came from. Okay. But, okay, so the way it works is keep it in the bag, but each team gets 1 gram. They have to roll 2 joints with the regular size papers. And once I've said go, as soon as people roll 2 joints and smoke it, they get 10 points. You guys got a pipe here? Oh, there we go. Thanks for the help there. Oh. Hey, easy. You know, this is a game. This is a game, right? You know, that's business.
Ooh.
So,
that was like a taste.
Yeah, or a sport. Not a sport or a business. So, I'm gonna say the rules are pretty simple. These guys know how it works. Roll 2 joints and just smoke it. Pardon? Nah. So we'll start tonight's joint rolling contest or smoking contest in 3, 2, 1, go! So as I mentioned, next week we have our contest for the best joint roller, the best pipe, the best bong, the best t-shirt, and the best song or poem. So I hope we get lots of people coming out and participating in that. The following week, in 2 weeks' time, we're going to have the final of our game shows. The tournament and this summer is going to wrap up in 2 weeks' time. The following week, we're going to have a special night, though, and we're going to take the game and go to City Hall, and we're going to play Reach for the Pot with like an all-star lineup right downtown at City Hall and lighten the place up a little bit. So we're gonna really enjoy that evening as well. And that'll be it for the summer though, until I think it's September 1st anyway. The first Wednesday in September is when we have our anniversary march. It kind of kicks off the school year. Pardon? Oh. Anyway, we have Ignition over here, the Potley crew. Oh, they have both them lit and going, and well, it looks like both teams have got them lit and going. That one may need a second light to get it burning more evenly there. It looks like everyone is applying the roll the joint loose theory here. It's really, this is not how you should smoke your pot. Like, it's wrong. Like, they're rolling their joints really loose so that they burn real fast and they get the heater really big. It's completely inefficient and it's not very good for your lungs. The best way to smoke your cannabis is by smoking it slowly and getting a small heater so it doesn't get too high in temperature. Because you burn off a lot of the cannabinoids and essential oils when you get it really burning like this and get it like a huge heater and you're sucking on it really hard and it hurts because like it's a high temperature. A lot of the problems with cannabis smoking is the hot air in a way, but these guys are just going for it here. Like, oh boy, it's right down to the wire actually. It's gonna be there's looks like a little bit more over there, but oh, it's going around. It is. Wow, that was just down to the wire, but by seconds. Holy cow! It doesn't get much closer than that. They did. I was going back and forth, and wow. That was tough to call. These guys were just going for it there. That may have been one of the fastest smoking contests.
Was that you?
Holy cow.
We can't hear you!
Oh my goodness, sorry. Oh, holy cow, I said. There.
Yeah, we didn't want to miss that.
But yeah, that was really quick. That was really quick. But the Joint Chiefs are just rocking on and picked up 10 points there. So, sorry about that. The score is 45 to 20. So we've had some huge comebacks in this game before, so nothing is out of the ordinary. Anyway, if you guys grab that book there and the pen. Okay, and a piece of paper. So tonight's second challenge point, also worth 10 points, is a list question. I'd like to ask a list of things so that I can test our contestants' knowledge of different aspects of our work. I don't know if it's really his signature or not, but I have a copy of Cannabis Culture, the magazine that Mark Emery put out. Some good news, if it's really good, I have is that Mark Emery's been released from solitary confinement. He spent 3 weeks in solitary confinement for letting Jody record him on a telephone. And so he came out sometime I think around the weekend, but he went through 3 weeks of hell. I think his sentencing